Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best snow cone syrup is Hawaiian 10-pack ice syrup. Great flavors in a fun little pack with the cups and straws. Your kids and even adults will love this. The Hawaiian shaved ice brand much better than many other brands, the folks that work there are super nice. It features 10 ready-to-use syrups including cherry, grape, blue raspberry, strawberry, lemon lime, banana, tiger's blood, root beer, watermelon and piña colada. Serving size per pint container is 6 to 8 snow cones, making this an ideal package for group gatherings. 10 black bottle pourers, 100 cups and 100 spoon straws are included to enhance your snowmaking experience. If you're looking for new accessories to pair with your snow cone or shaved ice machine, Hawaiian Shaved Ice brand has all the accessories you need. These syrups do not contain dairy, eggs, or soy, making them a satisfying option for those with food allergies. It includes 10 16-ounce pints of shaved ice and snow cone syrup with accessories, 10 black bottle pourers, 100 spoon straws, and 100 snow cone cups. Each pint of flavored syrup can make about approximately 8 to 10 6-ounce snow cones. Great for shaved ice, snow cones, sodas, ice pops, slushies, and much more. The Hawaiian Shaved Ice brand of syrups do not need to be refrigerated. Store them in the decorative box they were shipped in and keep out of direct sunlight. Number 2 in our side is Torani Snow Cone Syrup. This is perfect for making your own Italian sodas, iced teas and lemonades. This variety pack includes 1 bottle each of these syrups: blue raspberry, lime, strawberry, and orange. Made with pure cane sugar, natural flavors and cold filtered water, Torani original syrups provide gold standard flavors and vibrant colors to create amazing drink experiences. From caramel to French vanilla to hazelnut and everything in between, our syrups and sauces are here to help you create tantalizing lattes, cappuccinos, cold brews and frappes. To create tantalizing drinks for every taste, occasion, and mood, mix up some magic with caramel, lavender, pumpkin pie, hazelnut, chocolate, and many more flavors. Torani can help you make truly creative flavored teas, lemonades, smoothies, milkshakes, Italian sodas, coffees, cocktails, mocktails, snow cones, sparkling waters and more. Third in our best snow cone syrup list is Hawaiian Shaved Ice Syrup. With the Hawaiian Shaved Ice brand 6-pack of conveniently sized pint bottles of snow cone and shaved ice syrup, you can make delicious fare-like snow cones at home anytime. Each 16-ounce plastic bottle supplies enough syrup to make roughly 8 cool servings when using 2 ounces per snow cone cup. This package makes the perfect treat for sleepovers, birthday parties, cocktail hour, and much more. Or, give a cool gift this Christmas and pair this snow cone syrup kit with a home-use snow cone machine. Included in this kit are the most popular snow cone flavors: cherry, grape, blue raspberry, tiger's blood, lemon lime, and piña colada. All Hawaiian Shaved Ice brand syrups are free of soy, wheat, flour, starch, and dairy. Trust the professionals at Hawaiian Shaved Ice and order yours today. Kid tested and mom approved. The Hawaiian Shaved Ice brand of premium shaved ice syrup is used by thousands of shaved ice and snow cone operators all across the country. Their snow cone syrups are thicker, have a more true-to-taste flavor, and do not taste watered down like others. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Kool-Aid Snow Cone Syrup. The perfect addition to any nostalgia snow cone or shaved ice maker. Just add freshly shaved ice to a snow cone cup and pair with your favorite snow cone syrup for a delightfully icy treat. Mix and match flavors for even more fun. With this kit, there's no need to pack up and head to the carnival. At your next party, serve delicious and icy snow cones with the snow cone cups, spoon straws and syrups included. Perfect for everything from birthday parties to pool parties, you can supply up to 20 guests with a timeless and refreshing snow cone treat. Kit includes a 16 ounces easy pour bottle of blue raspberry syrup. Fill 20 snow cone cups with shaved ice and syrup, then use the included 20 spoon straws to enjoy your snow cone. Kit is perfect for use with any nostalgia ice shaver, slush maker, or snow cone maker. Last in this list is Time for Treats VKP1107 Snow Cone Syrups. This premium snow cone syrup can also be used to make slushies, ice pops, shakes, smoothies, homemade sodas, and more. Water, citric acid, gum arabic, and sodium benzoate are among the ingredients. If you're making snow cones for a kid's party, this kit also includes cups and straws, which are perfect for serving carnival-style snow cones to your guests. The bottles have easy pour lids, so there will be no sticky dribbles of syrup all over your kitchen surfaces. Tropical punch, watermelon, and lime flavored are among them. They are ideal for flavoring snow cones, as well as cocktails and fruity drinks. Despite the fact that these snow cone syrups contain real fruit, they do contain artificial colors and preservatives. So they're not entirely natural, but they really do taste like freshly squeezed fruit puree.